Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can delete your Facebook watched history. So the newer version of Facebook does not keep record of your watch history. So if you have the latest version of Facebook, you don't have to do anything because your watch history is never going to be saved, so you don't need to delete it. But let's say you're using the older version of Facebook. Well, in that case, what you need to do is just go on the menu at the bottom right and click on the setting icon at the top right. From here, just scroll all the way down until you see your activities and click on activity log inside your activities. From over here, click on activity history, and from inside our activity history, click on where it says filters. And from filters, click on category and click on logged info. And inside logged info, you will see the option called watch history or video watch history. You can go inside the video watch history and delete your watch history from there. So that is how you guys can delete your Facebook's watched video history. As I said, for latest Facebook user, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to worry. Facebook does not collect or Facebook does not save your video watch history. So I hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.